In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to upload project on Behance. So first of all, we need to go to Behance and log in here with your account. Once you log in, we need to hover over share your work and then you'll see bunch of options here. First option is project and second one is service. So in case you want to upload your project or design, then we need to select the first option and then it will take us to portfolio editor, and from here we can upload image, text, photo grid, video and audio, embed, Lightroom, prototype and 3D. In case you want to upload any PDF file or any of the other document, then for that you will see option of attach assets here as well. For that, click on attach assets. Now click on choose file and select any of the file you want, but you can only upload files as JPG, PNG, SVG, PSD and all of these files here. Once you select your file, then hit open, but currently I don't want to upload any of my file here, and that's how you can upload projects and designs in Behance. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.